Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is Teacher JB, and for today's video we are going to study the TH sound. Now let's produce TH sound together. Are you ready? Let's go. TH sound produce again. Your tongue is placed at the middle of your upper and lower teeth for you to produce the TH sound properly. Let's have an examples. The, not da. It's the. This, not this. It is this. That. Those. These. Them. And there. Let's have another examples. Thousands. Thief. Though. Thick. Theme. And thank. Let's have that in sentences. I have here $1,000. Again, the word is thousand. The thief comes to kill, steal, and to destroy. The word is the thief. Again, the thief. I thank you for all that you've done for me. The word is thank you and that. Let's have another exercises. Let's pronounce these words. Thailand, theme, think, third, throne, and thumb. Those are the words that produce the TH sound. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. And don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Bye for now.